This FM 104.3. Good to meet Atik.
Maybe Sabah said Egypt maybe have been too trusting.
Yeah.
Set tape no so I hope you are not recording me.
Even deep okasadia.
18 chess on no him say
conversation yan
akwaya menini din komwe bibibi. Ena nkomo no ba bia dunu.
Edunu no posture no.
Enya dia I was say kotodwa.
Yes. Yes.
At that point should
the conversation should have ended.
Should he not have exercised some discretion?
He ought to have.
He was too trusting.
He was.
Back to Kwame Nadankan asem no.
Discretion, no, yes.
Yentimi nin komo biom.
As they say, Ghana dey na no, it's true. Obi oyo
and some I can't change them do to go some out to know.
Now it's scary. Scary. Look, Obia, we jini di Obia oya unyonku papa. We didn't go krana suru. This practice of recording conversation. But
anyway, Atik to us.
Still on the indiscretion of the Attorney General. I think, sir, in my view, if there were to be any engagements, even though you wanted to act in good faith, if there were any engagements, they should have been in the office. Open, Obia, like if you have to have some of your attorneys around, Momumbra, Mundin Komono. But like you said, he became too trusting. Probably because...
So we can't trust anybody anymore.
Hey, Chairman.
We can't have a confidential conversation anymore. Asem to me, I mean to me, Atik to me, we can't have a conversation anymore.
Chairman, where you try? And I felt say,
it is a said here, Sronipa.
Oh yes.
Atik to us.
Chairman, I felt say, to the extent that he's the prosecutor, he should have been a bit careful. Especially we shared the conduct of the accused person. He was trying to dodge the proceedings. Like now Onosu Chi Alagbajis in Bakumi Nubi on the way until there was even a bench warrant on his head. So he ought to have been more circumspect. And the other issue is in the ethics of the law practice. If there are letters about the application.
By the way, you say letters now already in the public domain.
I haven't cited one. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen them.
Which is from Absorbing James.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then these are letters that I'll have to, get a copy for myself. And the chairman, Obia Sana, I would have felt, ethically, if you are the prosecutor, unless the conversation gets to a certain point, having a phone conversation with the accused, I think the AG could have done better. Now, the bit about going to Justice Kulendi. Justice Kulendi, Nioye was in bad taste. But again, the Attorney General, I'm sure would have been in a fix if a Supreme Court Justice calls Unasi Wunko. I mean, it wouldn't have looked nice. What you say? But, like I said, Sapapi, on the strategy, you say, let's create a semblance of lack of credibility, manipulation in the eyes and in the minds and on the minds of Ghana for. So that case Nankasana Ewa Court, the focus will be shifted from Eno. Now, any other Yaka who has me. But Niami Pesa Mitias and say, and I Niampesa amount for Etias and say, some court of public opinion in there is a honor. That is why it ends. And so on and so forth. But beyond that, would it have any effect on the real proceedings in court?
I doubt it.
What you say? And at the end of the day, it is about the strength of evidence that you submit. And like I was asking, AG case, was it all about Jakpa? So that the testimony, if it is found out, say, in their words, he was coerced to give the kind of testimony he gave, then the entire case will crumble. If it is on the strength of the evidence he had, documents, and that's what I understand, including responses from former ministers, and now all building the case around here. Not just any, we are just buying time for, my understanding is that the judge are all cases with the brutal. Say, when things have to proceed, media, my only worry, like I said, and say, we are now gradually shifting with our partisanship, with our needless and sometimes very cancerous partisanship we are taking it gradually into the judiciary. Chama Drew Hodia in a year. If we take it there, dear, ye
to the judiciary.
No? I mean, it is their legitimate call. I mean, I support, I can say, people's right to free speech because I've demanded my fair share of things in the past and I will continue to do. But
yeah,
no. Is it because Jakpa Eka say? Is it because of the tape now, mobile and Intina? They're asking for him to resign. If that is the case, then they would have to prove a lot more because you see, almost they have more tapes. Maybe on the other tapes, he said other things that are incriminating enough for them to make that demand. Until say you bet tapes in India, almost they have more. I wouldn't know whether it is true or not. But if it is what I have heard, say Kahuni said, if Attorney General goes, let's even grant that he goes, there will be another Attorney General. And already, he's not going to take back some of the evidence I'll submit here. He's not going to take back some of the presentations. Until whether he goes or not, I would have no effect on the outcome. What does he?
Right.
This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.